Welcome back to GiggleFarm. Today I'll be showing you guys how to be riding your bike without training wheels.
What?
But
Did that just
before we
happen?
get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give a huge thumbs up.
Huge thumbs up. Awesome, Aussie.
So I don't have elbow pads because I guess graduated, but you guys should have.
If you're starting out, elbow pads are a big deal.
My mommy's
Possibly
behind.
knee pads too.
Also have a parent watching you, so if you get close to getting crashed, they will help you.
That's a great idea.
So
That's what we
the first
did.
thing that I will be teaching you is how to kick off.
Yeah, and how to get started on your dominant foot, right? And yours happens to be your right foot. Some kids, it's their left.
It's my left.
Okay, so whatever your strong
I
foot
can do
is.
both.
Okay, well, to begin, whatever your strong foot is that you're more comfortable with.
I was more comfortable with this one. I mean,
Yeah.
this one. Left.
But now you can do your left as well because you graduated to the next level. Okay, and we also always need to have a helmet on, yes?
Yes.
Mhm.
No
Okay.
matter what.
Let's show them
However-
how to kick off.
Okay. So we're not gonna do this part, but we'll get closer.
Okay.
So what? So let's do it in the street because that's a better way of doing it. This is my personal favorite. Okay. So how you do it is you have one side up. See, one side up. It doesn't matter. So then you put that foot. It's the one is up, and then let me show you. You start pedaling, kick off, and ride.
Pedal, and run.
Like to turn like this a little bit while I'm turning, because I don't know why, but it helps.
To lean a little bit, just
Yeah.
a tiny bit. Not too much because then you'll go ka-punk.
Then we're gonna go. Boom.
Yeah, we don't want to lay it over. That would hurt.
Now time for second.
Step 2.
Step 2. Since you already know how to do it, and you could probably do that a few times, you can pause this video for a minute, practice a little bit.
And now what?
Now, start again.
Start again. All right, and what do you do? Okay, so you put your strong foot on the pedal, and then the other foot, what do you do with your other foot?
Kick off like
You
this.
kick off the ground, so you
Practice.
push. You push with your foot
Practice
your ground weight.
And put your other foot.
Yep. Practice balancing. I like it. Okay.
Mom, please watch that sun go up on half.
Oh goodness, here she goes.
So, the first thing to learn how to go up your house the part is start in your lap. Start right here at the starting line.
At the starting line. Bum, bum, bum.
Boom, boom, boom.
Dun, dun, dun. Bum,
Now,
bum,
I'm
bum.
gonna ride, and I'll be showing you guys.
All right,
So you're gonna do pretty much a lap.
do a hot lap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, you made the turn and everything. Good job, girlfriend.
Now I'll be showing you guys how to go up to the other hill.
Oh, onto the other driveway. That's fun. Go down and up. All about momentum. Keeping your speed and going up,
if you don't
pedaling.
have the right side up, which I don't, I will show you a little trick. You get off your bike, hold on to the little
Seat.
seat, and then you just push down with your hands.
To get the right pedal up.
This is my
The correct pedal up. Yours happens
then-
to be the right side. Okay.
It doesn't matter what side you do it, just do it the good way.
Yeah. Okay.
Get used to that side. And also have elbow pads on.
Elbow pads on, yeah.
too upset because it's kind of scary.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Blast off. Okay, I'm watching. Yeah.
It kind of helps if you go bum bum.
Oh, if you sing it?
Yeah,
That always helps me. Alright. Well, thank you so much for this awesome bicycle riding tutorial.
Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications and give me 2 thumbs up. Bye.
Alright. Well done, girlfriend. Proud of you. You're amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.